Alright, here's the next device. You can see it says pull, fire alarm, notifier, and it came with a matching back box. It has wire leads. So there's the back of it. There's a switch. Pull down to open. Normally in this little part here would be a glass piece, but I don't have any of those glass pieces, so we're just using 2 pieces of cardboard that I super glued together. Turn that on. You can see this is a Notifier model BG-1-2W, manufactured in March of '97 for indoor or outdoor use. There's a toggle switch there. So to reset, you need your standard notifier key, the 17021. I have a bunch of these keys now, thanks to this and a couple other things that I got. And reset, and there you go. Doesn't stay up perfectly because, again, that's cardboard in there, not glass. This is a really nice device, it being all metal and weatherproof with its back box, which I believe the model number is like BG2 or something like that. If I'm wrong, I'll put it in the video comment. I like it. It's really neat. It's unique because of just the design of it. It's very, very curved. The only thing I don't like about it is that you have to have like the glass pieces or something compatible to that extent to actually hold it closed. Because otherwise, if you didn't have those glass pieces, or in my case, this cardboard piece, you wouldn't be able to keep it reset, because this little springy thingy, it calls it a spring, but it's not really a spring in that sense. So my one dislike about it, but other than that, it's a really nice device. It is very heavy, of course it's all metal, and the wire leads are in really nice condition. So that's that one. Pause the video, get the next device out. Alright, here's the next device, or rather next 2 devices. See, one's branded ADT, one's branded Notifier by Honeywell. This one's an NBG-12LSP, dual action Spanish label key reset. And this one, get the key out here. Doesn't really like the notifier key, but I can get it open with it. It just takes a little bit of jiggling. This one is an ADT BG-12L. And there's a little switch there. And key lock. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let's get this one out of its packaging here. See, this one did come with yet another Notifier 17021 key, and has some instructions as well, and mounting screws. So to activate them, push in, pull down. This one's looks a little bit different because it's got the braille, and the this little activated thing here is embossed into the handle itself, whereas with this, it's just a decal, as is the Fuego Fire on the top. They're just decals. I find that a little strange, but whatever. So, put the key in, turn the lock, that resets, and then you just have to flip that up to do that correctly. So other than the key locks being just slightly different, and the handle and the decals on the front, the insides are exactly the same. These are not addressable Nothing else really to say about them. They're pretty cool. Other than this one says made in USA. This one says made in Mexico. Don't know when that exactly would have changed, but no matter. I still have yet to figure out what kind of key my ADT one actually takes. If somebody wants to comment on that and let me know specifically, I'd be very grateful for that. Until then, I can still use the Notifier key to open and close it. But like I said, it's just the lock isn't technically made for one of these keys, so you have to kind of jiggle it around a little bit to actually get it to work. So there's those. I'm going to pause the video one last time, and we're going to get the last device out. Alright, here's the last thing. Cover off. See, it's a smoke detector. If any of you know out there, it's a specific kind of smoke detector. Here's the back. Pop off. There's the base. See, system sensor base model B300-6. Detector base for open area protection when used with an S911UL listed head. And the head is a Notifier model FSP-951. It is an addressable fire alarm smoke detector. You can see it's very simple. You gotta line it up just right. Somewhere. There we go. And then twist it into place. And it has two LEDs, one on each side. Those flash when they're pulled, and then they turn on solid when they're in alarm. Now this device is a little hint as to something big that I got. It's going to be featured in my next video. I don't have any smoke to use to test this out. I also don't have any spray deodorant like what I used to use for this. I'm going to probably try to order some of that, and then I'll order another air duster so I can clean it out nicely. But for now, that's the end of the device videos. Get cleaned up a little bit, move over to my bed, and then we'll showcase the big device that I got.